How to log in FedEx Workday account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can log into your FedEx Workday account. For this, you want to open up any web browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome. Now, you want to search for purpleid.okta.com. That is going to take you to this login portal. Now you want to enter your username over here. Once you have entered the username, go ahead and enter your password. Now you want to tap on the option of sign in. If all of your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your FedEx Workday account. If you are facing any issues such as you have forgotten your username or forgotten your password, then tap on the option of need help signing in. Here, different options will appear such as manage password, unlock account, or request help. Tap on any of the options depending on your issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.